Akwaba. Fantastic morning. You will be Akwaba the Badwam TV. So be more Rason, Yemen Saba, Ecoso Wakudimo, 70 dollars. There's a fantastic in the Bribbe my coin on. Nadia bro, Kijuan Kasani, Erica Sidu, 1xbet.com. Yes, ya concon, I did some about 1xbet.com. And I done China, Gifas Mesha, and of course, Setimo Gel and Roland, sponsors are Bribia Mokahoma. It is some of the brown no. Now, I bet I say if you the UEFA Champions League, Basso Dachna, a Jebo, Jaranya Bedu, Istanbul, a Honey Jenny Tia, Namum, if you dear, Dom FM, and ya Sampe FM, yeah, Batema. Tema for yeso yes enti obia opeba bia hebo na Filibia na pacho tema Havana community 9 ho no ye de giant screen esi ho na commentary na kama panti me nhia tema community 9 Havana but Inter Milan up against Manchester City omunyina enam kwan bi su na mo bae ye monwura mo nhwe ba bi omufia na bedu finally Manchester City na the PM so be sanka obi me community 9 Havana hona ye bana ye the live commentary the abroad ya na me share the more than pa now the Ghanaian Premier League ye this weekend ko pie mo centers hold one matches na be koso ye resen officials no see tie the manfo ni wo mo ye medema Sporting Club wo mo hwe se betena fi na mo ne Tamale City the PM so se na be ko bia no na se kwan bia so medema hia draw no the age afi Premier League no man you mean say ye the trophy ni be come but I normally Ghana a about coronation. The best and I want to say Great Olympics thing Swatchaman Nebo and of course Brekum Chelsea House of Folk and so say House of Folk behind my Chelsea channel. Now other results and come favor for more relegation. The best and I want to say Sane Koroko and the Dream Selves in Erie now Arts Unique and Fight Sabo Legon Cities ne Samatex at the Bebo and in a fin show a Jana Stars Nibichim United about Kotoku Royals and Calrella United and at the Epim so now yeah send a table in the city here. Ahead of the last game of the season. Medema Sporting Club on top 57 points now. Bechem United Tosumino 54. Aviana Stars Tosumi and Sanwa 52. Eti Echao say Bechem so to Tempo Musa. Bechem etimi winning last game. Na Medema Ekoko lose or Henry Musa e be welcome but a bed. Medema here draw no jadi feel league no. Ti be say na won say Besiako. Na Aviana Tosumi and Aviana de age gonsa no one lead na so abeti aba Tosumi and Sano. Asare Koroko Toso and 9 51 points. Bibiani Gold Stars Tosunumo 48. Dream Selfie Tosunsia 47. So Atema Tosun 46. Samatex Tosun 46. Archie Tosun 46. Oko from Brekum Chelsea. Hearts of Folk Tosu Dubako. Aka Lions. Karela. Legon City. Tamale City. Now. Kotukuko. Can Faisa the Kika Kone Can Faisa this weekend not me winia. No I say other results be book off. The yeah Shamo Meko relegation Kotuku Royals and to Saturday bed pa. And yeah we the Ghanaian Premier League match 34 and I don't necessarily and some so is yet here. Shannon so Sentimore Gel and roll on 1xbet.com and of course Gfast Best okay when I then some idea Brian Kopimo or Songo Stick Sabre now countryman Songo Mr. Patrick Osajama be joining me line so na natural come and again Mr. Patrick Osajama o my farmer and Diana or my Songo Stick so
why the Mr. Patrick the DDC
say
and then Mr. Patrick the dialogue places
and then home next me so something from Mr. Patrick Osajama
that's all be a Mr. Yes it be the issue
so we be some in the meeting
Mr. I love him
more fire
we fantastic ball yes we walk over the bar Songo Steak, yeah, Adom TV, BM, I will share, I will say live, I will can see Songo Steak, I will can see money, ya TSMA, you won't. Now I'm hoping, say, League no me Ghana League no GP no. I'm hoping, say, last round of matches, Bodo Mabon ye, no me ye. Now, yeah, I mean, the way forward, I mean, next season, senior normal BC, Ako, Ediama, football. You look at football, no, here help the brain, here, Sikai, here attention, you look at football, no, here, say, you bit me, Eddie, and what dear shim, I'm a local footballer to me. I am fantastic. Now I reflect your Division 1, Division 2, and Division 3. And to look at football there, I mean, here attention, pie, senior. attendance, the supporters in Park, and very, very important. I hope say round of last league matches no a bit me ako na we pay na competitiveness no kure nye say be a ton matches and I kobobo na for 4 matches yeah na competitiveness. Okay, Mamifa and see now Songo Stake in Ankasani, it's on the national team Blasters. Yes, Chris Hutton, Ghana must win trophies. You have solid Blasters. You have solid Blasters team, and Ghana must win trophies. What I say, and the question out there, no, I'll be able to say, no, and say Blasters, no, I didn't hit me cup, I didn't hit me cup. I didn't hit many trophies, especially AFCON trophies. The last time it was about 40 now, 40 years, 41 years. You understand? Player selection or national team is very important. Blasters player selection, and the player selection and you're on point. You're quality players. You're players based on merit. Say what's a factor so no. Yes, will be in the Nimno will be a player and also will be Hunipa.
Okay.
That's a Blasters and Yama player selection and yet based on merit on point.
Okay.
In Nadia Blasters, a bit me a J Afghan.
Wow.
All right. Players.
I get your point. I get your point. Sir, Countryman Songo, point and nano pay. Sir, dear Badwam here to me a jet trophy, no. Yeah, maybe over 40 years, no, say, yes, selection, I fair. I think the point is well made. That's a and I know play Songo State Countryman. Songo, yes. I was you bet you know so now I can see and I know pay onexbet.com, bet onexbet.com. Yes, I'll bet you know Danchaya Gifas Mesha. Obejino I saw Bana pay my Gifas Mesha, and I think so. No, Sadi more gel and roll on pin never qua Sadi more gel and roll on your sponsors and up your Kangoma and in somewhere the Ebra or no Sergio Manucho Bana Padibutri and producers. Kejora Kasani Erica Sidu, but then I quite feeder into the Ahosape, ever to us, so the Marcos or Hebrew.